Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is December 8th, 2015. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, today I'm going to talk about a stock that has been really beaten to a pulp, and this is an organic or natural food producer called HAIN Celestial Group. Many of you may know it. The stock traded around $70 a share in the month of August, and you can see now it's trading at around $38.50 and still declining. Look at the downtrend that this is in. You're going to see the price is trading below the 20 moving average, which is the blue line. It's also trading below the 50 moving average, which is the red line here, and it's in a really strong downtrend. So when you see a stock like that, what tells you or what makes you think that the stock can reverse trend or break that trend? And right now it is in a severe downtrend. So what I like to do is I like to look at the bigger time frames, and one of the charts I like to look at is the weekly chart. So when we go to the weekly chart, I look and I say, wow, this is a real negative. Here you broke out, this was a bullish base, the stock couldn't rebound there, broke below a weekly 200 period moving average. I have to even go to a monthly chart, so I scroll back and I look and I say, wow, this is really a falling knife. This thing has really come in very sharply. So what I like to do is look at a couple of areas, and I like to look at prior breakout points, and this will teach you to look for levels where the stock could bounce. So right off the bat, I noticed the $35 area is a prior breakout point. So it could be 35, or it could be the high pivot right over here, which was around a little higher than that, which was around 36 and a half, 36.75. So I look and I say, wow, there's a spot right there that gets interesting. This is where the institutions drove the stock up. This is where they came back down. And then this is where they finally broke the equity out. So right off the bat, I'm looking at 35. I also need to look at where else could be a level if 35 doesn't hold. Well, generally, I'm going to look inside this area for one reason. This is what we call an inside bar pattern. You're going to see this green bar had the breakout move. Failed here, came back down, but we never took out that low. So that tells me the marketplace really likes this area in between here. But I like to even narrow it down even more than that. What was the prior bar before that? And you're going to see right here you go to $29. So that tells me if the stock breaks through the 35 level, it will still have what we call a secondary rebound level of support. So again, this is almost like a safety net right in here. So what I would do, I would take a shot at 35 on the long side, and I think that probably gives you a bounce somewhere to $45. That's at least a nice retrace. You can see that's where the breakdown occurred here. Markets love to go test their breakdown areas. So this will take you 35 to 45. And if the stock does come a little bit lower, you have a safety net, and you could play it back to break even, or maybe even back up to the $40 level. So either way, it looks like a real good risk-reward trade for HAIN Celestial right around the $35 level. So again, traders that want to trade this, this is how you do it. Look at the prior breakout points, look at the prior patterns, see where the stock vibrated on the chart. That's usually what will be supported again by the institutional traders. Remember, it's not me or you that moves the stock, it's the institutions, these big institutions that get together and they go in and buy stock at certain levels. They move stocks to certain points, and those are the guys that move the market. So again, if you're looking for HAIN Celestial, I'm going to say my best bet is 35. Put a stop below the $30 level, $29 area, right around there. That's your best bet. Trade this back up to around $45. If it does come down to this level, trade it back up to 40. Either way, you still make money, and it should be a pretty good trade in the book. So again, if you want to trade this or anything else alongside of us, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to our research center. You'll get all of our nightly trade setups. You'll also get our cycle work, you'll get our free webinars, and you'll get our No Hype Live broadcasts that are twice a week. This is where members are allowed to come in and ask us any questions about any stocks we might be in, stocks that they may be looking to get involved in, or anything market related. And it's a excellent fun twice a week session that we do each and every week for the members. So again, part of the research center, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. You get all of that and more. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.